The Centre for Disability Studies, a not-for-profit affiliated with the University of Sydney, is breaking barriers through its Uni to Beyond programme. The programme gives people with intellectual disabilities the chance to attend university classes, build their skills and form valuable connections. It's about supporting them to achieve their dreams. For Benny Dominit, a Uni to Beyond graduate, the programme was life-changing.
I enjoyed every minute. It gave me the chance to attend lectures, be a uni student and experience things I'd never imagined. Working at the Centre for Disability Studies is like the icing on the cake. I get to help others find the same opportunities I had.
Uni to Beyond not only offers education but builds essential social connections. These networks often last a lifetime and open doors beyond university.
After facing a pause in 2023 due to funding challenges, Uni to Beyond found new life when the JACE Foundation stepped in. Its founder, who wishes to remain anonymous, was deeply moved by the programme's mission, turning it into a passion project that aligns perfectly with the Foundation's values.
I'm in the Uni to Beyond program now. I'm studying German and Maths. Maybe one day I'll be a Maths teacher.
At uni, we have discussions and study in groups. I really enjoy working with others, and now I got a job in the city, working with great people and loving it.
Bridget Kelly, another Uni to Beyond alumna, has showcased her art in multiple galleries across Sydney, proving that inclusion in education benefits everyone. The impact of Uni to Beyond is far-reaching. It's not just the students who benefit. Their peers, lecturers and the entire community grow through this programme.
Thanks to Uni to Beyond, I've achieved more than I ever thought possible. And now, I get to help others do the same.